In this video, I'm going to show you how to add CC and hosting a webmail step by step so you can copy the right people on your emails without missing anything. This is a simple process, but if you've never used hosting a webmail before, it can be a little confusing the first time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where the CC option is, how to use it, and how to send a professional email with confidence. If this helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, look for the email section, then click on Mailboxes. This is where all of your email accounts are managed. From there, click on Webmail to open your Hostinger webmail inbox. Now you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Type in your mailbox details and click Login to access your email account. Once you're inside Webmail, look for the New Message button and click it to start composing a new email. This opens the email draft window where you can enter recipients, subject, and message content. At first, you may only see the main recipient field, but don't worry, the CC option is easy to find. Click inside the recipients field, and as soon as you do that, you should see the CC and Bcc options appear. This is where Hostinger Webmail lets you choose who gets copied on the message. Click on CC to reveal the carbon copy field. Now type the email address you want to add in CC. This will send a copy of the email to that person while letting the main recipient still see who else was included. If needed, you can also add multiple CC recipients, depending on how many people need to receive the message. After that, enter your subject line so the email is clear and professional. Then type your email message in the body section just like you normally would. Take a quick moment to review everything, including the main recipient, the CC email address, the subject, and the message itself. Once everything looks correct, click Send to deliver the email. And that's it. You've now added CC and Hostinger Webmail and sent a message with a copied recipient included. This is really useful for team communication, client emails, or anytime you need to keep someone in the loop. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.